Hi, I'm Mona London with Homes by London, RXB Realty. Today I am so pleased to present to you our newest listing in Auburn, Washington. 33002 206 Place Southeast, Auburn, Washington. This magnificent home sits on almost 1 acre of land, has lush, gorgeous gardens, and is almost 1,900 square feet with 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's go inside. Coming inside the formal living room, you'll see vaulted ceilings, bay window. Check out the deck through your bay window out front. And then you've got a fireplace, wood burning with insert. Beautiful handcrafted built-ins. Continuing on, we have the formal dining room that these sellers are currently using as an office. Again, beautiful bay windows and magnificent gardens, which I will give you that treat in the end. We're going to walk through those. So now we've left the dining room and we are in the eat-in kitchen, large enough for a very big table of 8. And then we have plenty of counter space and beautiful handcrafted built-ins once again. And then slider to your beautiful deck. And it is a big one, and you'll see that when we go outside. Just off the kitchen is the large den, utility room with a sink, and of course a 3-car garage. All ample-sized bedrooms are located upstairs, as well as a full bath, and of course master ensuite with walk-in closet. Treetop views from each room. So I want to welcome you to paradise. On a warm sunny day, enjoy dining al fresco in the sun, and when it's not so sunny in the Northwest, come on under the cover. Plenty of room on this deck for everybody. How about roasting some marshmallows at your fire pit? Or maybe put some chairs around it and keep yourself warm in winter. This garden has everything for everybody. You can eat from your own vegetable garden, maybe bake a pie with 3 different kinds of berries, maybe sit in a zen position and watch the bird bath. How would you like to have your own private spot? Not only is this garden enough, but now you've got a 2-story shed. Beautiful loft inside. Use it as a getaway, use it as a yoga retreat. Maybe put some football in there, that's what I like. It's all yours.